Hey guys, we received these 3D printed toy bears for test and try, spiral horn, Fidget, or the toys with the 3D printed animals. So it's a nice box thing. So there are total four, two small, two big, one blue and one pink. So nice 3D printed ones and the hooks where you can see the printing quality is really good, lightweight and nice for the display. So the big ones are 3.82 inches by 1.73 and the small ones is 0.79 to 2.09 inches. So nice vibrant colors and looks good, each clarity and everything. So you can just play with those toys as a bear and then make your own stories. Which comes with this chain as well that you can put in and store along with your stuff or bag or anywhere you want to use. So this is how it looks and pretty nice, cool, small bears.